Second semi-final, women's 54 kg, Victoria Rogalinska and Sirine Charabi of Italy, all set to bound in from their respective corners. Off we go.
Round one.
Second semi-final, women's 54 kgs. For a right to face the home boxer Preeti. Rogalinska in red, Charabi in blue. Good aggressive start by Rogalinska, looking to take the attack to her opponent. But has to watch out for the left from Charabi. Looks like a good tactical battle between the two. It's Charabi who's using the width of the ring, going wide as often as possible. But Rogalinska is the one who's come out with a more aggressive intent. Again, two boxers of very similar build, very similar physique. Not much of a difference or an advantage to be had in terms of reach. Charabi almost getting stuck in that one corner. Want that to happen. Now Rogalinska yet again upping the ante in this opening round. Difficult one to call, but I would think that the boxer in red has shown a bit more intent, a bit more positivity. Has that translated to sufficient punches? We'll know soon. Always such a difficult sport to call from the ringside, especially when there's no significant advantage for either boxer. Couple of good combinations again by Rogalinska. Getting Charabi on the ropes and a little dazed. She's finished and started this round with some good attacking measures of her own, Rogalinska. And it'll probably be Sirine Charabi who will have to think about what her strategy needs to be. At the moment, the World Cup champion from Brazil in red, Victoria Rogalinska, looking quite good against Sirine Charabi of Italy. Lots of meaningful punches which were landed. Got her into the corner a couple of times. Plenty of discussion at both ends. Split one and it's gone in favor of Charabi. 3-2. Only Judge 1 and Judge 5 adjudicating this in favor of Rogalinska. But the good news for her opponent isn't far ahead by a big distance. Just one judge to overturn in many respects. Come out attacking, but there's just a little bit too much of a headbutt involved. Charabi with a good bit of defending, and then the odd punch which is landing right on the bridge. That's working for her. Rogalinska yet again looking to up the ante. But when she does that, Charabi is very clever at breaking that momentum up. Rogalinska on the offensive. Good bit of mixing attack and defense at the moment from Charabi, but there's some desperate measures from Rogalinska to try and turn the advantage in her favor. Proper fight, that's for sure. Neither of them looking to take any backward step. Good aggressive encounter. Now Rogalinska gets Charabi into those corners, but then she has to try and capitalize. She has to try and get those punches in. This is yet another close round. Will be very difficult to call for the judges. I won't be surprised if yet another split verdict comes in. And Rogalinska will be hoping that it goes in her favor, with most of the judges on her side this time. That'll set us up for a real humdinger of a finish. Should be the last constructive action of the second round, and it is. Has Victoria Rogalinska done enough? Started well, attacked quite well, but Sireen Charabi kept going with her defense, which was quite solid all the way through. And what that has meant is that while one of the judges continues to be in favor of Rogalinska, the remaining judges have all gone with Charabi. Sireen Charabi currently with a 3-1 lead. Only that one judge not going in her favor, and another one flipping over after having given the first round. Rogalinska now has scored the second one 10-9 in favor of Charabi. But it's not over yet, and that's exactly what the Polish coach must be reminding Ward.
Third and final round.
Swiftly be moving on to the women's 75 after this. For the moment, it's Sireen Charabi in blue, looking to defend an all-out offensive. Not too happy about some of those punches which were landed towards the end by Rogalinska. Does want to do is just continue with this aggressive intent of hers. That's the only way back in for Rogalinska. Keep punching hard. Try and flip some of the scores over. Maybe try and secure a TKO if you can. The boxer in blue with the score advantage as well has been quite canny in the way that she's defended all the while. Gloves up, defends well. Rogalinska gets a couple of good punches in. Is it good enough though? Has she rattled Charabi and forced some errors, or in a position to force some errors in these last 60 seconds or so? Both medalists at the World Cup Stage 1 in Brazil. Rogalinska was the gold medalist. Charabi lost out to the woman who Rogalinska beat in the final and had to settle for a bronze. That'll be the fate of one of these two boxers at the moment. Numerically, that looks like Rogalinska. But can she come up with something special in these last few seconds? She's really going hard at it. Shireen Charabi's defense has been quite solid all through this 3 rounds bout. And she's probably the happier of the two heading into her corner. The story of this bout was all about Shireen Charabi and her solid defense. Rogalinska looking to be the aggressor on most counts. Then solid guard and some of those counter punches proving quite effective for the Italian. Just making contact with a few of those punches, especially those vicious uppercuts which worked very well for her.
Results of the bout number 43. The win on point by split decision. In the blue corner, representing Italy, Shireen Charabi.
It is Charabi who works out the winner, but it's a split decision which indicates that it was closer than it looked like at first glance. Victoria Rogalinska